Hey y'all, and welcome back to How Do You Cook Back to Basics. On today's video, I will be sharing with you a delicious taco bake recipe that my sister-in-law Renee shared with me. You are gonna love this recipe, y'all. You'll want to start out with one medium-sized bell pepper and one medium-sized white onion. Chop those up and set those over to the side. To my frying pan, I have 1.5 pounds of ground beef. You can use whatever type of ground beef you like, but this one is a 73-27 mix, I do believe. Now go ahead and add your onions and your bell peppers to your ground beef. Now go ahead and give this a really good stir and mix really well. You'll want to cook your ground beef on a medium to medium high heat until it's nicely browned. Once browned and drained completely, we're going to go ahead and add 2 packages of original taco seasoning to our ground beef mixture. Give that a really good stir until well combined. Just so you know, you do not need to add water to your mixture. To our medium-sized bowl, we're going to go ahead and add 1 16-ounce container of Daisy sour cream. Now once you've added that sour cream, we're going to add 1 8-ounce package of softened cream cheese. This is the Philadelphia brand. Now go ahead and add 1 can of cheddar cheese soup to the mix as well. Now we're going to go ahead and add about half of an 8-ounce package of Mexican style shredded cheese to our mixing bowl. Now you can add the entire 8-ounce package if you want, but this is just how I done it this time. Now go ahead and mix up all of those ingredients the best that you can. Now if your cream cheese isn't as softened as you like, it is okay. Now just smash that into that as the best that you can, because once you add your hot macaroni noodles, that cream cheese is going to melt anyway. Now here I'm adding an 8-ounce package of medium-sized shell noodles to our bowl. Now these noodles are super hot and will melt any of your cream cheese that's still left in chunks. Now go ahead and add your noodle mixture to a 9 by 13 inch baking dish. Now you do not have to pre-spray this dish at all before you add these noodles. Now once added, go ahead and spread those noodles out from end to end, making sure it's nice and even. Now we're going to go ahead and put our ground beef mixture on the top of our macaroni noodles. Now make sure that you spread out your ground beef from end to end. Now we're going to top our ground beef mixture with a can of drained and rinsed whole kernel corn. Now we're going to top our corn off with a can of drained and rinsed black beans. Now make sure you rinse these black beans really well before adding. Here I am using a spoon to ensure that the beans and the corn are distributed evenly throughout the taco bake. Now grab some more Mexican style shredded cheese and cover the top of your taco bake. You can use as much or as little cheese as you desire. But if you know me, y'all, you know I love cheese and I gotta cover it up. To our shredded cheese, we are going ahead and adding some sliced black olives. Now place your taco bake in a preheated 350-degree oven until the cheese is melted and bubbly. I hope you all enjoyed this episode on How Do You Cook Back to Basics, and go out there and get your ingredients, y'all, and make this recipe. You will absolutely love it. Until next time, y'all, bye-bye now.